training video installing Mashup and other add-ons. What you need to do is to go to System, so make sure the system is highlighted blue, then below Systems go to File Manager. In File Manager we need to add a source, so clicking on Add Source where it says None, that's the path, we need to click on it, and then we're going to type the address in where the files are. So we need to type in http:// making sure the capital's not on, so that's http:// and then it's fusion.xbmchub.com. Okay, and then it's just done, and then we need to go down to enter the name for the media source, and we can just type in there hub. Okay, and then just done and OK. Okay, we need to add another source, but we'll do that shortly after we've installed this one. So we go to System this time, highlighted blue, and clicking on System, and then clicking on Add-ons and Install from a zip file. The new hub that we've created is there, so we click on Hub, and then we go to Start here, clicking on Start here, and then we need to install the Hub Wizard, so clicking on Hub Wizard. If you look down the bottom right, we're just waiting for the quick message or for it to disappear, and it has, so that should have installed now. So then we can just go to the house at the bottom right, clicking on that, and then going to Programs, clicking on Programs, and it's not gone through as yet, so we'll just come back out of that. Okay, so now it's come in, so it's installed. So we'll just go back and just confirm, so Programs, and Configure Wizard is there now. So okay, clicking on Config Wiz, and going down to Android and clicking on Android, and then you just click on it to install. Now what this is going to do, it's just going to install quite a few add-ons, but the Mashup and Cartoon HD won't be there, so I'll show you how to install them in a few moments. Now, depending on the speed of your internet, it's depending on how long it's going to take, so it's just downloading, then it's going to extract the files and then install the files. So it's extracting the files now, and then it'll set it all up for us. We don't have to do anything at this particular point. Okay, as you can see, the complete setup has now changed, and if we go along to videos, you can have some shortcuts down the bottom, such as One Channel, Project Free TV and ICE and Sports Devil, but we're going to change them. So what we need to do is we need to add another add-on. So we're going to go back into File Manager. So we've gone to System, below System, and then gone to File Manager. And then what we need to do here is add source again, and then it's http:// and then it's install dot mash up xbmc.com. So that's install.mashup.xbmc.com. Done. And then we're going to give the media name and then just type mashup. Okay, and then done. And then OK. Go to the home in the middle, the picture of the house. Go to System, Add-ons. If there's any right in there, if you go right to the top where there's no right and just click on it, it'll take us back to previous, and then click on it again and previous again. And then go to install from a zip, and then this time we're going to go down to mashup. Okay, and then we're going to go to add-on, and then we're going to choose mashup 82414 zip file. Clicking on this, then the mouse won't move, it'll just freeze for a minute while it's installing. Okay, and it's installed. So what we need to do now is we need to go to install from a zip file again, and go to mashup, and then going down to modules, and we need to go into each one and install each module. So we'll install the first module, install from a zip file again, mashup, modules, and the 7-second script file. Install from a zip, mashup, modules again, and the third. And the fourth. And the fifth. Install from zip file again and mash up again. And this time we're going to go down to repositories and then go down to the second one down. I'm just clicking on that to install. Install from a zip file again, mash up, repositories, and Dixie Deans is the last one we're going to install. Okay, so now what we can do is we can go to the house at the bottom right, and this time we're going to go along to videos. Okay, so below videos is video add-ons. We're going to click on video add-ons and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to go to get more. And we're going to go down to discovery. And as you can see, Discovery Networks. Clicking on Discovery Networks and install. Clicking on the house bottom right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go back along to System, clicking on System, Appearance, Settings, and Add Shortcuts. So as you can see, this is the subsection of video. So we're clicking on video as the first one, scrolling down, and we can see Mashup. Clicking on Mashup, go to second, scroll down to NaviX. Third one, we've got Sports Devil. Fourth one, we've got Discovery. And then the fifth one, this is one of the best ones for movies and TV shows, so this is a new add-on, so we choose this one. And then when we go to the house, the bottom right, slide along down to videos, and all your add-ons are installed. Clicking on Discovery, you can pick a main selection and then go into the different things, and then also click onto the episodes to watch. So an example how stuff works. Then you can click on any of these and then just click on the episodes to watch. Clicking on the arrow, that'll take you back, or if you click on the house, or click on the arrow. So clicking on the arrow next to the house, that'll take you back. Sports Devil, NaviX, Mashup. Clicking on NaviX, this will auto update as you just installed it. Once this has been done, you don't need to do it again. Okay, so you can go to the Extreme Media portal, you can go to most viewed in the last 7 days. If you wanted to watch what was on the TV, you can just go to On Cinema Now, scroll down to what you want to watch. So there's different films in there. And then if you just click on the film you want to watch, and then the film begins to play. If you watch your BT Sports, all you need to do is go back on the arrow at the top, so you've got arrows pointing right and left. Choose the one on the left, and then you can go to most viewed in the last 24 hours. One of the best ones in here at the moment is I Love Sports. So let me just see if I can find it for you. There it is, I Love Sports. BT Sports, just click on the BT Sports. Got your bottom right working. As long as it's working, it's loading the channel up for you. Give it a second while it kicks in. You want to stop it or pause it, you can do pause or stop. Okay, how to log out of this? Just go to the arrows at the top, clicking on the arrows to go back till the pop-out menu comes up, and then exit out. To exit out of XMBC, little circle, power button, click on it and exit out. And that's everything installed.